Big up Crosses TV.
I'll be a crosses you have over your master.
Dirty. You're the dirtiest animal I've ever seen in Switzerland. Destiny, you crack. Destiny, you want look of milk. You want look of porridge. Destiny, you're dirty from your head to your toe. You're dirty. Destiny, you want look of flesh. Or if you come argue with me, you're depend. It's not afraid for this and the girl like you always want me to see a girl like you're very dirty. Man now fuck you, no man no want you. You just torment like you always want a girl for see you. Like bitch you could in America and a follow me up so. Me now ask Christ girl. You could in a foreign and a follow me up so in America girl. Girl me that lick you down long time. You tell you the honest truth bitch. And every time the girls them see me get upset and start with the things them say me is a bad one. Like bitch, you always want for see me girl. You always want for inner words with me girl. I'm not notice you girl. You're dirty destiny. You're the dirtiest Batman me ever see. Come across the dirtiest animal. You're the dirtiest animal me ever see. Destiny now wear no clothes. Destiny you now wear no clothes girl. You now wear no clothes, girl. You know that you're not that girl. I should even come on live and lower my standard for argue that animal like you. I should even come on live for argue one animal like you and lower my standard for argue one dirty girl like you. Can't work my arguing, girl. Girl, you want to look at help, girl. You know to say you're mad. You know, she say you're mad and delusional. And like the people know, she say you're mad and you're crazy. Like, girl, you're so obsessed over me, girl. You just always want me to see a girl. When you now post up the boy picture. And the girl, like, I don't give a fuck where you want the girl. Like, stop mention me, girl. You can't look at mine. You can't look at mine, girl. You ever put up my picture them. You ever had this. Like, you want me to see a girl. Why you want me to see her? Me no fuck girl. Me no fuck animal. Me no fuck animal girl, me not even like goats. Me don't even like goats. Me don't know what the fuck you follow me up for girl. You depend, somebody free for this and from the somebody can't tell if you go brush your teeth. Somebody can't tell us if you go level your teeth them girl, your teeth them want buff down girl. You know you want to check up, you want to use the dirtiest animal me ever see across Switzerland. You say Switzerland this, you say Switzerland that, and Switzerland not help you. Switzerland not help you, destiny they upon one cardboard bed, one mattress box bed there upon destiny. You need to come off of that bed there, girl. Destiny, you need to come off of that bed there, girl, before you come argue with me, girl. Girl, you're not on my level, none tall. You're not on my level, none tall, girl. So I know how you come argue with me. Girl, you're not that girl. You always want me to see a girl. You always want me to in a chattings with me, girl. I'm here to tell you, say, girl, you could have foreign and follow me up, so girl. Me licking it down long time, girl. Me da chop off your head long time. I'm here to tell you that, girl. You could in a foreign and follow me up, so girl. Stop follow me up, girl. Stop go like you want fuck, girl, or something, girl. Stop see me, girl, like, what the fuck you see me for, girl? You ever come and eat my page? You ever build fake page just so I see a girl? You do this, you do that, girl, like, the fuck? You're so obsessed over me, girl, like, girl, the same way you go back home, you can't come back, girl. Come back, girl, and come be you now, bitch. You always want a girl to come see your destiny. Destiny, my family never ill-treat me, I have a mother's love. I have mother's love, destiny. I know what's a mother's love. You don't know what's a mother's love. That's why you walk around and you torment people. Cause man now fuck you. Man now fuck you the way you're delusionally. All I take down video and I put up with people cause they just want somebody to see a girl. Destiny your mouth stink. Destiny a crying. No girl will wear 0+0+0 can't argue with me. Destiny not going no good clothes, no good store go buy no girl. Only is not that girl. So I know only for come argue with me and only for come put up things with me. And you can't lay me down. Ask that boy there. You can't lay me down no day and no time, girl, cause you're not that girl. And you will never be that girl. No matter the amount of hormones that you take on the things, and you will not be that girl. You cannot walk up to me, girl, cause you still stink. You're still dirty, and you still want beard, and you're still an animal. And it's just the truth. Like you always want to see me, girl. Like, girl, listen. You hate Emiley so much. You don't like Emiley so much. You hate Emiley. You're dying for Emiley dead. You're dying for this. You're dying for that. And yet still, you always want me to see her. Like, who does that? Like who does that? Who does that, girl? You don't like a person, you avoid a person. Like girl, you always want me to see a girl. Like you always want me to see a girl. You ever put up things with me, girl. Like girl, me so girl, like girl, I'm not even so upset about it, girl. It's just that the fact that you always keep on calling my name. You don't like me. You hate me, girl, and yet still every day you mention my name. Like girl, you just want me to see a girl. Me see you now, Destiny. Goat, me see you now. Me see you now. Like you always want me to see your Destiny. Me see you now. Destiny, Natasha hates you. Your family hates you. Destiny go take your mother off of the crutch. The time you did that worry about me and I worry about the bump them in my face, they go take your mother out of the crutch. Destiny, your mother they are foreign, your mother suffer. And the time you take money, I do ear and I do nails and the things them, I go take it and take care of your mother and take care of your body. Take care of your body, girl, and stop in a words in me, girl. Stop in a words in me, see you now. What is the big deal? Emily a bump in her face. What else? The boy still fuck me. You know when I have no bump in your face, I have a flat chest. And you slim and you say, yeah, I go for Switzerland, man, nah, fuck you. I'm not seeing a man post you. I'm not seeing a man this video. I'm not seeing a man that video. Man still fuck me with the bump in my face. Man still kiss me. Man still do the things that would me. So I don't understand that you are animal. I'm not see your next goat to fuck you. You're the only animal. I see your next goat. Now next, I see your next drama fucking. I know. I'm not see nothing going for you. All the way get up on your inner people business. You just always want a girl for see a girl like I see you now. Emily have the bump in her face and the boy still a fuck me. And what? You not get no fuck. Man not lie down with you. First of all, the man not lie down with you in Switzerland. No man at all. No man at all not lie down with you. I have the 100 bumpers where you send on my face. And the things them, a man still a fuck me. Boy still go out with me. Boy do the things them with me. A man not do nothing with you. Man not even eat round table with you. For sure you. And you walk in a words with me, girl. You know say you're sad and delusional. Who mad like you? Like you get up every day and you call my name just because you want a girl for see a girl. Like girl, me I tell a girl, anyone Switzerland the girl, me lick me girl some things them than do a girl. I swear to God some things them than do you. You're so annoying and you don't realize like everybody hates you, girl. Everybody hates Chris. Like every day you get your company. Me, the girl is about me, girl. Why it is about me? Me there we America, girl. Like girl, if you want to war with me, why you never stay America? Like bitch, you should have stay America, girl. America is everything bad to you, but yet still everything what go on America is a problem to you, girl. Everything because you want to solve everything in America. You want to solve everything in America, but yet still America is this and that here, and you run go back to Switzerland like, bitch. Me I tell you, girl, if you want to war with me, girl, me tired of every day me come on media and I argue and back and forth with you, bitch. Me no type of me no girl, me no come on yourself for coming in a back and forth with you, girl. Cause if I want me do the live here today, girl, me not gonna come back and argue with you, girl. Come in the pan them something, girl. I pull on them something, girl. That's straight licking her face, me do, and chop up y'all and the things them. So you see, girl, if you not come far and come with me, you go down the road there, girl. You know make no sense to go up on live and you call my name and the things them, girl. Cause you're not gonna get a next answer from the girl. Like, girl, you've been a lip for my name too much now, girl. I'm come to get the attention now, bitch. I come now to get the attention there, cause you want me to see you. You want me to see a dead dog or rock my back to Destiny. Cause the man now fuck you. And you just obsessed over me and you're obsessed over the boy. Like girl, what you obsessed over with for you? Girl, the same so she did come on live and attack one time say, me I walk and I tell 7 things. And the things the one boy, I don't even know, I don't even know what the boy live. I don't say the boy was her friend. You get me? She see me start post the boy and the things them. She says that man, she make one big argument over it and I says that man and them something there. I never put no looking argument to 7s yet because 7s them is not my type of man. If you don't know it's my type of man them and the things them. Any boy tell me attack, any boy want fuck me in my wall, Yeah. Them have to look good and smell good. Oh,
Emily, tell her don't you come along and don't call my blood clot friend name when she a class. Destiny come America, hard life beat her bad liquor, she can't thump her and her blood clot, she have to fly, go back
Big
and
one.
fix her.
Every day this bitch come and she call up my name, she put up things with Emmy, and the things I'm like, girl, me not see a girl, me not make it be a problem like this girl. No girl, I really laugh about it. The woman, I said the woman have the fake page and text me now. The way the girl ignorant for me. I said the girl all text one, just the girl so I post one girl. And the girl is my family, and that's time I'm my cousin. She see me post the girl, and she gone on the girl DM and I tell the girl things that Destiny is so obsessed with me.
Hard life liquor, hungry thump her out of the shelter, the blood clot, she have to
She's
run
so
back to
obsessed with me. I don't
Switzerland,
know what she
yes.
obsessed with me for. Girl, if you want to be the man, you can't come and foreign a girl. You can't come and foreign girl.
If you talk about Emily and you talk about
Like
Emily,
shit
you
up
can't
Mount
other
Destiny.
people name
If you want to be
filthy,
the
girl.
man, girl, and you want girl, you want to argument with me, girl, and the king said, come and foreign girl.
She don't name Destiny, she name Lucky.
Come and
She
foreign
don't name
donkey,
Destiny, she
goat,
name
animal,
Lucky.
whatever you want name. Cause the boy now go fuck you. I know for sure say Emmy now go fuck you. So all you do the things them for me see a girl, him not go fuck your girl. I want me and him left 100 times. If me and him for left on the things them, him not go fuck your Destiny. And it's just the truth. If me and him for left,
Destiny, I walk out here, but I can organize yourself, say you from America, blood clot.
That's the truth. Him not go fuck you, me I tell you. Him not go fuck you. Like girl, you keep on a post of things about me girl, like girl, it is okay, it is cool because you know you live in a one girl, you know you live in a one world where you just feel like say me and fuck you over the phone and something girl, it is okay to have up his picture on your DP. Like girl, I don't worry about those stuff. I'm a woman and I know my worth.
Emily,
And I know
Emily, in the first
my
place,
worth. I know which position I want me stand in the boy life. So I need to come from here, come say that you putting up on your DP or whatever girl that not hurt me, none solid, don't even move me. I still eat, I still drink and the things there.
in the first
Girl,
place,
no,
you don't know how you
you know the reason why I
life
click
for
like
Destiny.
PR?
And
Because
Destiny
guess
not in
what?
America. So,
She want me for
Destiny
PR.
last. She last in the system.
She want me
The
for
last time I go
PR.
research
Like
on
bitch,
you,
why you
them
want me
say
for
she
see for
last.
girl? Why you want me for see for girl? Me not see a girl. You all a go live with Beanie Man and you always a call up my name for live, but you know why your woman come cuss said, girl, why you always a call my name team for girl? Why you always a see me for girl? You don't need to see me girl, you need to call my name team for girl. Me don't notice your girl. What you want with me? What you want with me? Him not stop fuck me. Destiny and him not stop.
Destiny last in the system because you got one country where you have to roll your tongue and you don't know the language, man. So you have to
Girl,
keep problem with people in America
she
to
always
keep
want
up.
to keep up
Come
with
back
me and the things I'm like, girl, him still not, him not support me.
Barack Obama
Him not support
say yes we
my
can,
Destiny.
Destiny you can come back. Blood
Destiny not even
clot can
want
load
the
this a
old man
kill
them
over
wanted. The old man
Switzerland.
them where you say like fuck with. Me not say have no boy in a bed where you hug up and you need a man. Me tell you say you need a man, girl. You need a man for calm you down. And no young boy now go sleep with you because your birth alone I go turn them off. Destiny you carry a stinking mouth, a sweet breath. When me know if you're sure say no man now go kiss you. No man a chat.
Destiny you are the only human being when on a gender. The doctor never know for gender you. You're the man in a
But I want him
no gender.
the boy there with America. If you want the boy, I get simple to the way or you go. You come America, the same way you go back or the same way you come. Nothing not change. Dirty Destiny. Nothing not change. Like you want me to see a girl. Like you always want me to see you. Like bitch, me see you now. May I get the clock now? So what the problem now? I been man have a problem? Excuse me? What you say?
Destiny retarding.
Move on to my face, man, dirty
She
man.
retarding.
When I'm up on the
She's a
what's like up
retarding
with spit on him, you know? No make no peace with me. He's an animal. Blood clots. You can't make peace with a wild animal. Big one. They say yeah, man.
Where man
This
say man make peace
all are
with
rotten.
Big1
Big one
Destiny.
for year, but still all are rotten. But when you there foreign, you want big one for fuck you so bad. You do all when big one drunk, you want big one fuck up on the train and big one don't look for your destiny. I don't know anytime the boy them don't look for you, so you class them. You say you walk on class the boy them anytime the young boy them not fuck you. You no fuck you. Oh, that's gonna be a problem. And that's your problem. The young man them not push them cocky now you. And that's your problem. And all please. Listen to me. Go away, please. And I'm not gonna warn you again. Listen to me. I'm not gonna tell you again for move from out of my face. You see, me tell you again for excuse some here, so it not go pretty. Alright. Alright. Destiny, the young boy, them not go fuck you, that's your problem. Them not go skin out your pussy and fuck you. Destiny, your pussy
Destiny, you
full of
walk with a life
cobweb. Destiny,
sentence.
when
Any
last you
man
fuck.
fuck you get sentenced.
Come at me, avatar. Mommy, yes. Matey,
Me I go for a life
Matey, come and ask that
and make
question.
sure.
When last you fuck, girl? When last you fuck, I come like you not get no fuck for your own, make you want for torment. I'm not hungry, sweetheart, thank you. Like, mommy, I don't want anything, sorry. Like, Destiny, when last year I get fuck, girl, when last a boy really bend you over and fuck you? Cause you always want me to see a bitch. You always want to int. Like, you always want me to see you. Like, bitch, no matter how you post up the picture and the things then, man still a fuck me. Man still a fuck me, girl. That's the whole point. I never see you have a picture with one boy in one bed. I never see you have a picture with one boy. I fuck you or something, girl. Hmm? All the dirty man obsessed with me. You know, sister man want me. The madman obsessed with the dolly. Everywhere I go, man, obsessed with me. So what a big deal? Destiny allow boy for look your girl. Allow boy for fuck you naturally. And stop for stamp on boy, cause boy not go fuck you so girl. Relax, sweetheart. Relax. Relax and take it easy. One boy so fuck you. Just relax, girl. You don't need to in a rush, girl. When you rush, you think, Papa, girl, you go feel it, girl. All you need for the girl, come a foreign girl, come America, girl, and do the things, then, girl. And stop run up, girl. Stop run down love. Stop run down, man. Stop run down things, girl, cause it no work out. You know, say it now work out for your destiny. It now work out for your sweetheart. It now work out for you none at all. Relax, the boys who come fuck you, girl. The boys who come fuck you. All you need for the girl is just book your tickets and come back. Remember you say for your life, say you not have to in there for come back here, you know. Not even remember where this step and live. Girl, for your girl where you say have a Switzerland with the book where you have girl, the way all me interested and me so obsessed over one boy mouth. Like come take it. Yeah, I see a girl man and I want it. And I there want country, I have the book there like you. I fly come take a girl man. I'm fully bad. Yes, so I see it. I fly come take a girl man. Girl, I always want to see a girl. And people do not get it wrong. I'm not arguing her over who should post up the boy or anything, girl. Don't get me wrong. I'm not that childish. I'm not that. Girl, me not type for the girls day. Understand me? Me not make them something better than me. Period. I know my words. But the fact is that she keep on a text me with fake page. And she keep on a text people who my post like, girl, what you want with me? Me no fuck girl in a girl. But don't fuck, girl. I may take a girly boy, but me not fuck no Jack Queen can't fuck me. Period. No Jack Queen can't fuck me. Some now you feel like you can come follow me up, girl, and I come text me, girl. Stop from text me, girl. You understand me, girl? That's all I want. I just want to clear the ear. Girl, it is okay what you're doing because everybody knows that you're mad. So I'm not going to pay no mad girl no mind. You understand me? I understand say you're obsessed over me and the things and it's okay. It's okay, sweetheart. It is okay. Girl, if you want to beef with me, girl, or you want to in an argument with a girl, just come America. Simple, just come America, girl, and we can have it out.
Yes.
You understand me, girl? Like people who don't get it wrong. I'm not talking about she having the boy picture up on her. Whatever she want have, girl. Come on, girl, I will for time people send me picture and screen recording them something. Anybody will send me a picture recording them something, I block them, girl. Block them, my people, my fans, the good people, man, I need the live. You understand me? My black them. I'm never got answer now. I swear to God, me never got answer. Me never got answer. But girl, for me can't girl, no reason I'm answer girl because every time she do it, girl. Every time you do it, girl. Every time you do it. Every time you do it, girl. Like girl, people me this type of person, girl. Me not tell boy who to talk to. I can't tell her that. Me never tell that boy who no to talk to or nothing. Ask him. Me never tell Emmy no to talk to nobody or nothing. Emmy friends them is not my friends and my friends are not Emmy friends. It's so it go nothing wrong with that. It's not everybody in cool with me, cool with them. So I'm not gonna stop him from talking to nobody. You understand me? I'm not gonna stop him from talking to nobody. Cause I never tell him that yet. I'm not tell my people them something there. Cause him not gonna tell me who for talk to, him not tell me that. And he can't tell me who for talk to, so I'm not gonna tell him who for talk to. Understand me? But Destiny, no girl, just easy girl, let's relax. Like girl, it's not your time now. And not your time now, bitch. It's not your time now. You understand me, girl?